Hello, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to discuss articles with you. Articles. This is also a basic chapter in English grammar which children of class 1 and 2 generally in the base level they learn. Now, what are articles? पहले मैं ये समझाती हूँ कि articles होता क्या है. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. इसका मतलब जब किसी noun के आगे हम article लगाते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि वो किसी एक particular के बारे में बात हो रहा है. Is it mentioning a particular person or a place, or it is mentioning in general? So we have three articles, a and the. Okay, so the first point with article is it is used before a noun to define whether the noun is specific or unspecific. हम एक के बारे में, एक पर्टिकुलर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या फिर इन जनरल किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो ए एंड द आर द थ्री आर्टिकल्स. द इज अ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल, मीन्स इट इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब अ स्पेसिफिक नाउन. जब हम द लगाते हैं नाउन के पहले, इट पॉइंट्स आउट अबाउट विच पर्सन और विच fruit or which place we are talking about. और सामने वाला, the next person come to us who is near us can understand about whom we are talking. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Like, I saw the man sitting on the chair. So if I ask someone that did you see the man, the person will say, yes, I saw the man sitting on the chair. That means the person about whom I am talking, the next person is also talking about the same person. Okay? So he also knows that particular individual and even I know about that particular individual. Then comes the indefinite article, that is a and an. An is used before a vowel. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. So any noun which starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, an is used before that noun. Like if I say, I want an apple. So I have to use an because the word is starting with apple and A is a vowel. Okay? And it is indefinite. If I am asking someone, then go and bring an apple, that person will go and fetch me an apple. I am not asking for a particular apple. Then we come to A. A is also indefinite article. It does not mention a particular object, a particular person or a particular place. Okay? We can say Paul is a teacher. So is a teacher means he is just a normal teacher. Which subject teacher I am not mentioning. In which school he is a teacher I am not mentioning. I am just saying by profession he is a teacher. Like other teachers, he is also a teacher. Okay. So these were the three articles. And A is not used before vowels. Whereas an is always used before a vowel. So the is a definite article and A and an are indefinite articles which does not specify any person or any object. Now, lastly, I have been asked to explain the difference between epidemic and pandemic, because during this COVID time we all have come across these two terms, that is epidemic and pandemic. Epidemic is a disease which is spread in a particular place at a particular time among the residents of that area. Whereas pandemic is a widely spread epidemic, means that same disease, if it is spread in a very big area in different times, maybe in the same time or in different times, but in a very big area, then it becomes pandemic. So if this COVID-19 would have been spread in just one specific area, it would have been an epidemic. While because it has spread all over the world, it is pandemic. Okay, so these were the 3 articles which we come across, and thanks, and I hope you'll like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.